Today we are here in Lawrenceville at Canterbury Reserve, a new community from Chafin Communities, and I am joined by Brittany. And Brittany, it's so great to see you. I would love to just start out with the location. What can you tell us?
Well, thank you so much for being here today, Greer. Yes, one of the many great things about Canterbury Reserve is the location. We are located in Gwinnett County, and this county is highly rated for its school districts, and we are zoned for Grayson High School. Canterbury Reserve is a swim and sidewalk community, and once completed, there will be 154 homes. We are minutes to downtown Lawrenceville and the city of Grayson.
Well, construction is well underway, and today we're here in your beautiful model. So what can you tell us about the type of homes that Chafin builds here?
Well, we offer ranch and two-story style homes with a mix of traditional brick exteriors and farmhouse styles. Our model home is called the Camelot Plan. It's about 3,500 square feet and has 5 bedrooms and 3 or 4 baths with a loft area on the second floor. It's an open concept floor plan with a beautiful gourmet kitchen, quartz countertops, and a midnight black accent hardware package. We have over 10 floor plans you can choose from, ranging from 3 to 6 bedrooms and 2.5 to 4 bathrooms, as well as options for a guest suite on the main level. Each home will have coffered ceilings in the great room and tray ceilings in the primary suite. There are a number of ways buyers can upgrade the interiors of their homes, from backsplashes and countertops to adding a 7-foot shower in the primary suite, or even building on an enclosed patio. We have packages that can work within any budget.
Well, tell us a little bit about the availability, and then also if someone wants to learn more about Canterbury Reserve, what's the easiest way?
Yes, we do have availability, including pre-sale lots and spec homes that are in various stages of construction. So to learn more, please visit chafincommunities.com, or you can call me directly at 678-463-2912.
Well, Brittany, thanks so much for being here with me today. And you do not want to miss this fantastic neighborhood in Lawrenceville, Canterbury Reserve by Chafin Communities.